Hey everybody, it's Anne from STEAM Kids Books and Left Brain Craft Brain, and today we're kicking off the STEAM Kids 5-day challenge. I'm so excited. Today's challenge is all about the build, and we'll be building some paper roll machines. There are two different ones in the challenge because STEAM Kids, it works for kids ages 4 to 10, and so the balloon car might be a little challenging for some of the younger kids. So we're also going to build a little simple catapult today. And on this video, I'm going to show you the simple instructions to getting this done. So be sure to pop open your challenge guide. And every day you get a challenge guide that looks like this. And then today, so we're all about the build, you have in each challenge a quick STEAM project, and that's about rock balancing today. You also have a STEAM snack and which cracker and cheese stacking. I'm all about the stacked, and our paper roll machines. But we've got all the instructions for measurements and things like that in the guide, so be sure to follow along here as I show you how to do it on the video. First up, let's get going on this catapult. For the catapult, you need a ruler or a paint stick too, those work too, a toilet paper roll, some masking tape, love my PVC pipe masking tape stand. So, and you need a cap and you need some pom-poms. I keep losing the pom-poms because my noodle kittens keep taking these. They're their favorite toys. So you need pom-poms, tape, ruler, and toilet paper roll. And a nice flat solid surface because it helps to tape this down to that surface to make it easier to fire. So what you're going to do, so you are going to grab some tape, piece right about this, and you are going to tape your paper roll to the table. This will just secure your firing. Then you're going to take your ruler and you're going to tape that to the paper roll, just like that. Then one more piece of tape. Who doesn't love tape? I love tape. And it's just easier for little hands to use often than glue. Take a piece of tape or a little roll, pop it onto the end of your catapult. I'm gonna pop things back here a little bit. Grab your, scoot this over a little bit for you. Grab your pom-pom and boom, fire off your catapult. So the cool thing about this really simple machine is this teaches kids about a simple machine called a lever. A lever is something that is basically a stiff board that sits on a center point called a fulcrum that is used to lift items. Think teeter-totter, right? So anyway, there's a ton of information in the challenge printable about simple machines. So if you want to talk through this with your kids, add a little bit of learning to the fun of flying pom-poms, go for it. Next up, so that's the catapult. Next up, let me take that off, is our balloon car. And here, I'm just gonna demonstrate really quick. Excuse me while I blow up the balloon. For the balloon car, you're gonna need one toilet paper roll, not pom-poms, as much fun as they are. You're gonna need some cardboard, a hole punch, some scissors, a couple of paper straws, a bamboo skewer, a rubber band, pop that down there, and did I forget anything? Oh, my favorite tape, of course. And also a hot glue gun is helpful if to kind of secure the parts, but definitely not necessary if you don't have that or don't want to use that with the kids. So first up, your first step is to punch some holes for your axle. So a balloon car showcases these simple machines that are wheels and axles. And think car, think anything that moves like that on a wheel for you. So the first step is you're going to punch a hole like this. Hope you like my heart hole punch that I have to turn into a circle with a pen. Anyway, you're gonna punch one hole, and then you are going to go directly opposite right here and punch another hole right there. Then you're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side and try to match these up. Otherwise your car gets a little wonky and rides a little funny. Doesn't drive very well. Oops. Okay, so my hole punch is not punching. All right, come on, hole. There you go. Next up, so you got your holes. Next, you need a paper straw. You're gonna cut this into 2 3-inch pieces. And what you're gonna do is, make this round here. I hope everybody else has a round hole punch. I don't know where mine went. You know, did anyone like that? How's organization for you? Okay, so you're gonna shove this straw through the holes. Now, I like to take a hot glue gun and add a little bit of glue around here just to secure this hole, but that's totally not necessary if you don't have it. Okay, so you're gonna do that. You're gonna do that on both sides like this until, excuse me, as I punch more circles. I'm gonna pop your axle through. So now you have the basis of the car. Cool, right? Now, a wheel won't work if you just put that because it won't turn. So you're gonna end up putting a bamboo skewer piece right through there because that bamboo skewer piece is going to attach to your wheels. I cut them out of a cardboard box, and one thing that's always great as a template is use another cap, something round, just circle around it and then cut it out. Just for time, I already cut my wheels out. The next thing I did was I poked a hole, grabbed another bamboo skewer, poked a hole in the center. Use the bamboo skewer because then you know it's the right size. So then you're gonna pop these wheels onto the bamboo skewer and grab your glue gun and add a little bead of glue like that, okay? And you're gonna do that with all 4 wheels. Like, oh, there's my other skewer. Skewers flying, the kittens are gonna love this. And wheel number 4. Okay, so there is the basis of your car and a little bit of hot glue gun, glue sticking. Okay, there's your car. Now, you need an engine for the car. And the engine for the car on this is coming from a balloon. And we're using a balloon because the air, you blow up the balloon, you fill it with air. And guess what? As it deflates, all the air comes out this way. And the balloon car gets pushed the other direction. So you need 1 balloon, 1 straw cut into a 5-inch section, and a rubber band. I like the little ones, like the rainbow looms. They're easy to get on here. And you're gonna, I say easy to get on here as I fling the rubber band across the room. And so you're gonna wrap this where the straw inside the balloon until it's secure. That's like 3 or 4 times or something like that. Like that. Now, you're gonna take your balloon and you're gonna grab some trusty tape again, and you're gonna tape it onto the back of your car. The cool thing, the cool thing about engineering is that engineering is about design, build, test. Figure out what worked, repeat. So what I learned as I was making this is that where the balloon goes on the car makes a difference. Because if you hang it off here, it has a lot of drag. So I found that it helps to have it taped up on the back of the car like this. And, but This is a perfect thing to test with the kids. Don't tell them the secret ahead of time. Have them test it and learn from this. So you're gonna just tape this car, whoops, tape this straw onto the back of the car. Make sure it doesn't interfere with the wheels. And then you have your balloon car. So I took some other footage earlier for our other video of the balloon car in action. So take a look. Be sure to post your pictures on Instagram with the hashtag SteamKidsChallenge and come join our Facebook group. And you can post your pictures there. We are so excited to have everybody join us and can't wait to see what you build today. Have a great day. Bye.